It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-150 XLT in Oxford white, black sport cloth interior, and you have the black appearance package. So that's why you're seeing the blacked out wheels, and the decals that are blacked out are gray. And it has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have a tailgate step as well as a trailer tow hitch and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have your electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and auto stop start for less idle time. There's a running board and grab handle, making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is lane keeping, cruise control, volume. You have your menu and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So foot on the brake, key in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. Any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up. So you can go into the menu. It has sub-menus in there, and you can toggle through for what you like. Up top, little cubby, and then we have our parking assistant, our hill descent, and we're seeing the mini map on the side here. This changes as you choose different things. We're in settings. You see it's highlighted. You can slide through. You can even change the look of your display screen. They all have sub menus as well. We can go into audio and we can choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And we're just going to go in there. And then we can also go into navigation. So now we're going to see the big map and navigation. We can choose our destination. And we've been into the settings. We can go into the features here. That's where our owner's manual is. Towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So here we are in space, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, center line, and this is just a protective cover. And I'm just going to put us back into park for safety's sake, volume and tuner, and then we have our camera here. So this is giving us a view without us being in gear, just to see what's going on. You've got your hazard lights, traction control, and then you've got your dual climate control, the fans in the center here. You also have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as the AC and max AC, and then the front and rear defrost. Off to the side, we have our Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and our drive mode with the 4x4, and we just push for the locking differential. But let's go into the drive mode. You can see the different icons. So there's normal, and we're going to the right, slippery, and then we're off-road, and then rock crawl, and let's go the other way, and that is tow haul, eco, and sport. So depending on the road conditions, the weather conditions, what you're doing, you're hauling or just going off-road, you can go into different drive modes. And then we have down in the cubby the USB-C and USB and a place to put items, automatic select shifter, and we can make that go down flat if we want. A couple of cup holders, you can bring that back up. We have our console here, we just release in the front, and then we have a nice little bin, lots of room down below. And close that up. We've got a 12 volt and a 120. And then two glove compartments, lower one's locking, this one releases from here. Grab handle in the body, auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding rear window, and that's what that's for. And you're all set to go. 18-inch wheels, and you notice the black wheels as well as the blacked out XLT badging, and that is because you have the black appearance package and intelligent access on your body colored door handle. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors as well. You've got the black running board, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, your backup cameras just above the handle, LED light to the right, backup sensors on your bumper, and you also have a 4 and 7 pin connector as well as a trailer hitch. When you're ready, you just double click the fob and it'll power down your tailgate for you. Nice and roomy back here with the tie downs in all four corners, and you also have plug-in located there, and there's a measuring tape, metric and imperial. You also have clamps if you want to do a little work back here, and you've got a tailgate step, so you can release it. That yellow button that you're seeing pulls out and creates a handle, just giving you some ease to get in and out of the vehicle. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you also have the grab handles in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just lift the seat and it gives you more room on the floor, and you've got these nice all-weather mats. And then to bring the seat down, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple of cup holders, your USB outlets, air vents, and the 120. You're seeing a little bit of a blue glow, that's ambient lighting. And then you have a grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Reverse camera in the rear, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back, windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirror with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.